Hello everyone and welcome to this project. In this project, we are going to build an artificial intelligence powered calorie tracker. I actually use this application pretty much on a daily basis to track my calories. So let's see how to build artificial intelligence models to exactly do that using a few simple lines of code. So let's go ahead and get started. So please note that right now we are in the Jupyter notebook titled Build a Calorie Tracker. And as I showed you in previous projects, that I embedded all the slides, all the code scripts, everything in just one Jupyter notebook. And this is a Jupyter notebook here for our project. So once you open it, you should be able to see one slide here containing the project overview. So in this project, we are going to build a calorie tracker, simply an app that can use artificial intelligence vision to identify food. So simply you can feed in an image that looks like this to, for example, OpenAI API or any other generative artificial intelligence models. And these AI models are going to generate for us what type of food in there. So for example, roasted potatoes, or let's say lemon wedges. And it's also going to show you how many calories are included in each of the items as well, which is super powerful. So what you could do simply is that you can take an image of, let's say, your lunch, for example, and then instantly you can get what are the items in there. You can also get how many grams are included. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. And also the calorie counts as well, which is simply all the macronutrient breakdowns. Okay. So here are the key learning objectives of our project. So in this project, we're actually going to learn a lot. First, we're going to learn how to deal with images data. So we'll learn how to invoke basically an OpenAI API. But now, instead of sending it just a simple prompt in text format, now we're actually going to talk to it with an image. So we're going to communicate with the powerful AI vision models using their APIs. We're also going to learn the art of prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is simply the art of how can we properly communicate to an artificial intelligence model to generate consistent, robust output. Please note that I have a lot of other courses available and of course a lot of YouTube videos as well around prompt engineering, which doesn't involve any code at all. So I'm going to show you today how to do or construct a proper prompt that includes context, instruction, input, and output indicator. We'll also learn about the difference between zero-shot prompting and few-shot prompting, and also learn about the chain of thought prompting as well. And we'll also, of course, learn how to convert an image into what we call it base64 to be able to send an image to an OpenAI API. And I'm going to show you at the end, of course, we're going to have a ton of practice opportunities, how to test our OpenAI API's kind of call to send it different images. You know, instead of sending, for example, this image here before, we're actually going to test it with multiple images and see how robust our prompt works and how robust the entire app basically works. And that's it. That's all I have for this introductory lecture. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.